ready to supercharge your lead management by effortlessly bringing your existing contacts into Real Geeks CRM. First things first, you need to prepare your contact list. Your data should be organized in a spreadsheet format. Ideally a CSV or Excel file. The key is to have clear, distinct columns for each piece of information you want to import. Think name, email address, phone number, and any other relevant details. Crucially, make sure you have clear headers for each column. This will help Real Geeks understand your data. Now, let's get into Real Geeks. Log into your account and navigate to the Contacts or Leads section. Look for an import option, which is usually a prominent button or a link within that area. Clicking this will initiate the import process. The system will then prompt you to upload your prepared file. Simply click the Upload button and select the CSV or Excel file you've just formatted from your computer. This is where the magic begins. This is a critical step, mapping your spreadsheet columns to the corresponding fields within Real Geeks. You'll see a screen where you can match your first name column to Real Geeks' first name field, your email column to their email field, and so on. Take your time here to ensure accuracy. This prevents data from going into the wrong place. Before finalizing, Real Geeks will likely show you a summary of your import. Review this carefully, especially the number of contacts you're about to import. Once you're confident everything looks correct, click the Import button to complete the process, and that's it. Your contacts are now seamlessly integrated into your Real Geeks CRM, ready for you to segment, engage, and build stronger client relationships.